Welcome to iVision TV. I'm your host, Katia Vital, and you're watching EAT2Live. Today we'll be making one of our old favorite Haitian recipe into a quicker, simpler version. Pikliz is a Haitian staple, and a true traditional house will always have some pikliz in a jar somewhere. Pikliz can be used on anything that needs some spicing up. Pour une nouvelle génération, nous allons faire les plus simple, pour le cas plus facile, puis le cas faire la caillou. We will also make it now for the new generation a little bit simpler, and also other islanders watching. Pikliz is traditionally made from scratch by chopping the cabbage, the carrots, the onion, the scotch bonnet, and all the different colors in the scotch bonnet. But today we'll get some help from the store. So I have a bag already shredded of carrots and cabbage. And also you could already buy the onion already cut. So the recipe actually calls for 6 scotch bonnet peppers, different colors, 2 cups of thinly sliced cabbage, 1/2 cup of thinly sliced shredded carrots, thinly sliced onions. You could put some peas, it's optional, clove, kosher salt, about 8 to 10 peppercorn, that's optional as well, and vinegar. That's what really makes it. And the other thing that you really need is a pair of gloves, because this is really super hot. It's called a scotch bonnet. So what we're gonna do first is open the package. It's like almost like what we do for coleslaw. What you could do is put 2 cups in there on a plate or a cutting board and chop it up a little bit to make it a little bit finer. Then what we're gonna do is the onions. I chop my own onions, but you could buy it already, chopped at the store. We're gonna just put it in a bowl, and then we're gonna also put the onions in the bowl. And of course, what we need to do is to cut the scotch bonnet. Like I said, I use gloves to cut it. And also, if you like, you could also put other peppers in there, what you like. Go with what you like. But scotch bonnet is the pepper that goes into pikliz, but you could add a little bit of addition to it if you like other peppers. So I have a chili pepper here that I'm going to cut. And then what we're going to do is put that in the bowl. And then we're going to slice our scotch bonnet. But before we do that, we need to put gloves on, because this thing is very hot. Très chaud. Il va la brûler mais so pas mettre gants. So we're just going to put those on. And because really the heat is housed in the seeds and also the membrane that's on the scotch bonnet. So we're going to cut them slices really. Watch your fingers. Tuck them under. And we're going to go ahead and slice them really tiny. Also, the other thing you could do, like I said before, is use other peppers that you like, but mostly they need to be scotch bonnet, because really they're the one that has the most heat. So we're going to use some chili peppers to give it a little bit of color and texture, if you like that, or whatever you like to put in there. So what we're going to do is put all that in there. And we're going to also add some peppercorns in there. A few peppercorns. And we're going to put some salt, kosher salt on there as well. Optional, of course. And we're going to put some vinegar. That is the key ingredients. It's about 3 cups. And what you need to also do is to get a mason jar and just put it in a mason jar. So we're gonna go ahead and mix it together. And really, it's as simple as it gets. So what's gonna happen, as it sits in the mason jar, the flavors are gonna marinate together, and it's gonna, the cabbage and the onions are all gonna get super hot, because they're gonna be confined in one container, so they're gonna take the flavor of the pepper. So everything's gonna be really hot. So that is better than any hot sauce you could find, and is very flavorful. So We're gonna go ahead and mix it, and really that is it for our Pikliz today. It's really pretty and colorful. Just get a mason jar, put it in there, put it in your fridge. So that is our recipe for today. It's Pikliz Haitian style. So we are going to head outside and spice it up there. We'll be right back. Welcome back. I'm Katia Vital, and we're starting our exercise routine. It is a beautiful day outside. It is a little bit cool, but we are gonna start an exercise today. What we're gonna do is some frog jumps, and what it's going to do is really work our glute muscles, our hamstring, and our thighs. So we're gonna do about 4 sets of 5, and this is a little hilly, so we're gonna go down the hill a little bit and do that. Just remember, please consult with your doctor before starting any exercise routine. So let's get into a squat position. We're just going to bend down a little, and we're going to do about 4 sets of 5, and we're going to just leap forward. So all those muscles will work together. It's going to be fun. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what we'll do is start it all over again. And we'll do about that 5 times. So by that time, we should be out of breath, our legs should be burning, and our heart should be pumping. So let's try it one more time together, and then you guys will complete it on your own. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whew. That was good. This will be our 3rd set, because we're gonna do 4 sets of 5. So we'll do 3 sets together, and then you can complete the other 2 sets alone. So let's do it again. And this is probably a great exercise to do on the beach, because the sand, every time you step in the sand, it gives some resistance. So work your calf muscle. It'll be a great view. So let's go. We're doing it on a field, and it's gorgeous out. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can jump as high as you want, as far as you want, of course, depending on your ability, your exercise ability, and you'll get stronger as you do it more and more. Now, after our frog jumps, we're going to do some side crunches, which is my favorite because it gives you great abs. So you could use weights. Usually I use weights. This morning I did about, I think it was 35 plates of 35 on each side. So that gives you a little bit more. But as you progress, add weight. So we're gonna do it to the side. We're gonna do 5 sets of 10 on each side. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you should feel it right in here. As you bend, you feel a resistance. And that's what's going on. It's just kind of crunching that side. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. And so, of course, if you add weights, it's going to be more, you'll feel the burn a little bit more. So you could add 5 pounds, 10 pounds, 15 pounds, depending on your level. Let's go on the other side. 1. And every time you go down, you have to come back to the same position you started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do the other side again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's what we're doing. Let's do it the other side to make it even. We'll do 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You could also do a variation where you could kind of lean to the front, and that would help this side right here. So this is what you're looking for. You're looking for a 6-pack. So with a lot of work, you will get there. So, but Rome wasn't built in one day, so we have to do a little bit every day. Let's go. Welcome back. Now we're about to do our next set of exercises. and we will be using a jump rope. Nowadays, jump rope comes in different sizes, colors, and materials. The one that I'm using is made of beads, really cool, black and gray. Your kids may have a set of jump ropes, get your own, and you can get your kids involved and work out with you. It's a great way to have the whole family exercise together. So let's go ahead and start that. What we're going to do is to do about 5 sets of 10. This is really, it looks like it's very easy, but it's not. So what we're gonna do is do some side, as I'm jumping the rope, I'm gonna kind of do like a crisscross as well as a front and back. And this will work your shoulders, your arms. It's really a total workout. Your legs, your thighs, everything will burn as you do it. And most importantly, your heart will be pumping and your muscle will be warm. It's an awesome exercise and it costs next to nothing. So let's start and hopefully I won't fall. All right. This is awesome and fun. This is the end of our show for today. Please visit us at info@iVisiontv.net for questions and comments. I am your host, Katia Vital, and you're watching EAT2Live. Remember, the power of living is in what we eat. À bientôt.